Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2018 Renault Kangoo, stock number 5979. This ran from 09-2016 to 02-22. It has a F5F 1200 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a F5F 1200 4-cylinder petrol engine. The front headlight needs polish. Front bonnet no dents. Left front guard no dents. Left front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front headlight needs polish. Right front guard no dents. Right front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Single stack CD factory stereo. Interior mirror. Courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.